Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It is Moya with Baddies in the Bag. How y'all doing? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. How the stuffing going? How the saving challenges are going? How's life? How the financial situation? What's popping, y'all? I feel like because I be pre-recording my videos, y'all, it just feels like I haven't been here in such a long time. Even though to you guys, you'll see me post a video like yesterday or something. It's just, I miss y'all. So I do realize that I'm close to 5K. I have to figure out what I want to do for the 5K giveaway. It's definitely going to be a giveaway. 5K is such a huge milestone, y'all. Like, oh my god, I'm about to hit 5K. So I want to see what I want to do for the 5K giveaway. When I come up with it, I'll definitely let y'all know because I don't know yet, but once I come up with the idea of what I want to do, I'll definitely let y'all know. I'm not gonna leave y'all out of the loop, so make sure y'all are here every single day, and well, every time I post, and you guys stay up to date, okay? So today's positive quote is beautiful, strong, kind. These three words goes together so well. It's like you can't be beautiful if you're not strong and kind. You can't be strong if it's not, you know, you're beautiful and kind when you're strong, and you can't be kind and not be strong and beautiful. So all these three words kind of balance each other out. It's like you can't be the one without the other. So you are all three, okay baby? You are all three. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. You are definitely all three. So that's it for the positive quote. That was nice. 3 little words set the tone, had me feeling positive, and now I'm ready to go. I did do a little makeover of my binders. I didn't get to record it. Oh my god, I'm sorry I didn't get to record me putting them together. They're already put together, and I just want to show y'all like what changed, what's new, etc, etc. So I have to say that there's a lot of changes that has been made. I have 2 major goals that I'm trying to achieve before the year ends. One is I want to get my citizenship, so I want to put it in at least, or get the process started. 2, I want to buy a house or a condo, an apartment or something. I want to buy something. I want to own. Maybe next year by the time this lease is supposed to end. So there are a lot of things that, not that they have been omitted, not really put on pause, but less prioritized. So there are more things now that are prioritized more than others, I should say. I have things that are ahead of other things, if you get what I mean. You guys are gonna see. So for example, the self-care binder is still around, but stuffing the self-care binder might be to a minimum due to the fact that I'm trying to achieve certain goals and I've prioritized certain things. You get what I mean? Like, that's an example. Or like vacation binder might turn into an envelope for now. You know, it's already an envelope, but self-care might turn into an envelope for now as well. You know, certain things are being cut down because of major priorities that I have going on right now at this moment. So it's good to know, you know, like set your goals and try to achieve them. It's good to adjust when you need to achieve certain goals. So that's basically pretty much what I did. I basically just adjusted and made certain changes to certain things, and now moving forward with the stuffing will be focused on certain things. So let's see the binders. First of all, I got my new bank bag from Baddies in the Bag website, of course. So if you guys like these cute little bank bags, go ahead and grab you one. The link is in the description below. Okay, so let me show you guys the new binders. Well, some of them are still old binders. It's just they're set up differently. So for example, like this pink one used to be the self-care one, still is the self-care one. It just has a new dashboard. It has the self-care challenges inside, new dashboards. It's a pink binder, and I have a cute little fluffy keychain. Super cute. As y'all should know about me, I love my things super cute all the time. This is my daughter's binder. This is her savings binder. This is the dashboard for it. It has a cute little vellum transparent dashboard. It says Ariana's Savings. That's her name. And then she had the kids saving challenge bundle, which I don't even think I showed this in my video where I show you guys what's on the website, but The kids saving challenge bundle is on the website for your kids to save, or you know, learn how to save and whatever. So if you guys are interested, the link should be in the description below. But the kids saving challenge bundle, and she has some clear envelopes in there. I just need to put each of these saving challenges in, let me do it now, separate them, so one in each envelope basically. I love these envelopes. Do y'all love these clear envelopes? Like, I like how clear and transparent they are. I think that's my favorite thing about them. They're very, very clear, very, very transparent. So this is her binder. This is my high priority binder. And my high priority binder has a rose gold binder ring, which if you guys haven't checked out the video in which I show you guys how to change the binder rings, you definitely should if you're interested in changing yours. I don't know, but the video is there, you should check that out. But I changed the ring from silver to rose gold. This is my high priority dashboard. They are available on the website. If you guys like it and think it's cute, you can go check it out. And then these are my envelopes for high priority. So I now have, I still have emergency. I added credit card because now I have a credit card, which is exciting, yay. I have taxes. I always had taxes. The new thing that I've done is I will no longer have a saving challenge binder all to itself. I now have my saving envelope inside of my high priority binder. So this is just one of the transparent clear envelopes, and this is the ultimate saving challenge bundle that's available on the website. It is a 6-piece saving challenge bundle. If you guys are interested, it is on the website. The link is in the description, and it is completely editable, so you guys can choose how much money you want each icon to be and what's the total you're trying to save for each paper. All the money from this challenge will go into this envelope. That's a change I made for now. I felt like I had too many saving challenges going on. I had to cut some down. I had to get a little more organized. So yeah, I've moved sanitary stuff to high priority because, you know, I'm a woman. I need my sanitation stuff, which I was gonna put it in self-care, but being that self-care is going to get a little break from stuffing a little bit, I think what I've done was I made a self-care envelope. So self-care still gonna get stuffed, it's just not going to be separate categories just for now, until I achieve those 2 major goals that I said I had to achieve by the end of the year. Once those goals are achieved, then I'll jump right back into my self-care binder. Next, I have supplies, which is supplies for my business, supplies for my store, supplies for makeup, and supplies for my lash extension business. And I have the citizenship, which is going to be one of the major ones that are going to be stuffed for the rest of the following months that's left in the year, because we're trying to get this done before the year ends. And then we have moving out, my house or my apartment or my condo. So I just named it moving out because, you know, things happen, and if that isn't achieved, then, you know, it's just for us to move to a different apartment. But really and truly, what I want it to be, or what it is in my mind at this current moment, is to buy an apartment, condo, or whatever it is I'm going to get to buy at the time, which I will. I'm just gonna say I will. I'll speak it into existence and I'll throw it out there in the universe. I will. Next up, we have Truly Blessed. This is not an envelope. This is just a cute little dashboard that I added to my high priority binder. These dashboards are on the website. If you guys like them and think they're cute, you can just go grab yourself one. But how cute does it look in the binder? Oh my god, the binders definitely have been upgraded. I am so in love with them. So that's it for the high priority binder. It's really looking simple on the front, just a pink binder. I added this cute little key ring that I got from Temu. Next up, we have, I think this is my bills binder. Still pink, just the same like the high priority, just that it doesn't have like a little button right there. But this is a bills binder. It also has a bills dashboard. So we have this cute little keychain that we got from Temu as well. So cute. And then we have the bills binder dashboard, and then we have a bills tracker to track my bills. So the tracker is also available on the website if you guys are interested. It comes in a set of 2, It's the bills tracker along with the no spend tracker together. Next, we have the envelopes, and for bills, these are the envelopes that are there. The envelopes didn't really change, it's the same envelopes there. We have rent, we have my car insurance, we have my car payment, we have phone bill, we have utilities, and then we have a cute little dashboard in between utilities which says pray, set goals, make a plan, work hard, succeed, thank God, and be humble and repeat. These dashboards are on the website as well. The link is in the description. Next, we have subscriptions. So that's another envelope. Then we have, I think there's one before it. Yes, we have self-lender and we have afterpay, and then ending it off we have another dashboard that says real bad. So these dashboards are on the website if you guys are interested, but this is the new look for the bills binder. I'm totally loving it. I don't know about y'all, but they are super cute to me. Super cute. Next up, we have the sinking funds binder. I think I love this holographic monochrome look. And I have this cute little keychain as well that I got from Temu. My daughter is just so busy today. I don't know what's going on with her. So we have the sinking funds dashboard, which is also on the website. And as y'all can see, all my binders, I changed them to rose gold rings. We have the sinking funds dashboard. We have a monthly no spend tracker in the sinking funds binder. So we are going to try our best to not spend anything really out of here. Then for envelopes, we have Christmas, we have birthdays, we have my daughter. So this is not her savings. This is more like stuff for my daughter, like wipes, diapers, clothing, etc, etc. So that's her little envelope for that. Then we have another dashboard which says coffee in one hand, confidence in the other, which is super cute. Super cute. Then we have Black Friday, which is another envelope. We have car maintenance. We have my birthday, which is moved from self-care to this one for the time being. We have tolls. We have my brother, my mom. We have date night, vacation, which is what another thing that I was saying. I moved vacation and self-care to here for now. So let me just put my self-care envelope in here. I didn't put it as yet. Let me go ahead and add self-care to this binder. This is a sinking funds binder. Super cute. I am in love with all my binders. super duper duper in love. So that's it for sinking funds. So this is the month ahead binder. I just haven't went ahead and put my envelopes in there as yet and finished setting it up, but it's still here. This is the month ahead dashboard for it. It's matte vellum as well. I love the matte vellum. I feel like it just gives it a luxury feel, so I love it very much. I've changed majority of almost all my stuff. And then last but not least, I do have my wallet. So this here is my mini wallet. This is my cash wallet. You know, I'll be controlling my spending with my cash wallet here, which has allowance, I have groceries, household, eating out, I have gas, and I have my daughter. So this wallet is available on the website if you guys are interested. The link is in the description as well. So those are all the new looks for my binders, y'all. I've definitely upgraded a lot of things with the binders. I've changed the looks, I've changed the binders, etc, etc. Get ready for the stuffings, get ready for the new changes and everything. Just get ready for it all, basically. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'm going to be doing a video restuffing on my cash in these binders, so please look out for that video. It is coming. Bye.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count the